Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it is the 26th day of April, a busy Thursday morning because we have a storm system on the way, and I think the timetable of the storm system is a little faster now. I'll show you future radar, and there will be a small window of opportunity later on this afternoon, especially in the eastern and southeastern counties, for some stronger storms that need to be watched, storms that could start to rotate. And we're very, very mindful of what happened here on Sunday. And then let's talk about a big pattern change. You and I have been actually talking about this for a long time now. A pattern change that will make the cold air in this country retreat into Canada, perhaps for a long time, and maybe gone. We'll see. And that'll affect the weekend forecast as well. I'm glad you're here this morning. Let's get started.
Early this morning, hours before dawn when I'm making this, there's the showers and storms stretching from northwest Alabama in through south Mississippi at that hour. But the front is going to move through fairly quickly today. Showers and thunderstorms beginning this morning, continuing into this afternoon, and exiting the state by this evening. This is future radar showing later on this morning, then late morning into the afternoon, and then later on in the afternoon and into the early evening hours, how the showers and storms move through. 8:30 in the morning, this is just one radar idea that showers could be all the way to the I-65 corridor at that hour, and then the stronger storm starting to move into eastern Alabama and southeast Alabama around, let's just say, just before lunchtime, and then maybe some stronger storms that need to be watched later on in the afternoon through east and southeast Alabama. More on that in just a moment. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center is highlighting an area in extreme eastern Alabama for marginal severe weather risk. We're very mindful of the situation that happened on Sunday with the last system that moved through. I like this graphic from the National Weather Service in Birmingham, indicating an area from, let's say, Alexander City to Tallahassee down to Troy on eastward and southward for a possible brief tornado or two this afternoon. They highlight 2 to 5 p.m. We'll be watching. Showers and thunderstorms today, high around 71. The showers should be gone by early this evening, and then partly cloudy later tonight, low 51. Then tomorrow, a dry day. I think it's a comfortable day with a sun and cloud mix. There's see some showers out to the west of us on Friday. Friday evening, some of those showers try to tease the area. So I'll mention the possibility that rain chances I've got at generally 20% or less Friday evening. But then a big pattern change on the way. You see that big bulge in the upper atmosphere? You and I have been talking about this for quite a while. This is the big ridge of high pressure, which is going to make the cold air retreat into Canada. Sunshine, warmer Saturday. I think we're at least in the mid-70s and maybe near 80 on Sunday. Nearly perfect weather. Talladega weekend going on, of course, and a lot of other stuff as well. On Monday, sunshine, a warm day. You see that high pressure area plop to the north of us, north of Nashville. And on Tuesday, maybe kind of a breezy day. Some showers trying to tease the coast, but should be warm and basically dry. So I've got the rain chances, not quite zero Friday evening, but we'll say under 20%. Mid-70s Friday, mid-70s on Sunday Saturday at least, near 80 on Sunday, lower 80s on Monday and Tuesday, and a nice period of time, which will stretch well beyond this, I think. The beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City, I included a small rain chance on Friday at 20%. But then warmer over the weekend, 75 Saturday, 77 Sunday. Water temperature now south of Dauphin Island at 74. The next storm system will come in Cinco de Mayo weekend, maybe Saturday evening, Saturday night. We don't know yet. It's way out there. We'll keep an eye on it for you. Here's the European out 10 days showing the showers and thunderstorms today. But look on the graph. It shows a significant warming trend beginning this weekend and continuing into next week. And that's the start of some good things, finally, as the pattern changes here that we've been talking about. The GFS shows how temperatures first get into the low 80s and then eventually into the middle 80s. So it's going to be a nice pattern, and it looks like that's going to extend well beyond the 10-day period. Our advanced interactive radar is going to come in handy today. Push notification for any watches and warnings to come out. So if you don't have our weather app yet, get it on your phone today. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather.
So, yeah, we'll be watching the radar carefully later on this afternoon to see if some of these storms get out of hand in southeast Alabama. Keep your weather app handy. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog. Where are you, Bailey? She's out here somewhere. Have a great day today. I'll have another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we focus on the weekend for here and the Gulf Coast beaches and Talladega. Have a good day today. Stay weather aware.
Rich Thomas Weather.